If you wanted to fix this problem on your Canva mobile or on your phone, just watch me in this video step by step till the end. So let's start. Guys, first you don't need to open your Canva. Go and open your settings of your phone. Then go directly and open your apps options. So right here we found all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for your Canva, open it and go to storage option. But here guys, be careful, don't click on clear data because it will delete your data. Click just on clear cache, then go back and click on first tab, click OK, and go to battery, make sure that it's on optimizer mode, and go back again and go to set as a default, open supported links as I'm doing right here, then go to permission and allow this options, camera and files and media, and then go to your Play Store, check that your Canva is updated on the last version, then restart your phone. That's it guys in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.